Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn to draw numbers. So kids, colors name: blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, green color, and white color. Now I draw numbers, and first I draw 1 and use blue color. O and E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R W 3, 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5. Kids, night of 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. S I X 6, 7, S E V E N 7, 8, E I G H T 8, 9, N I N E 9, 10, T E N 10. Kids, night 11. The numbers of 11 and use red color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids, night 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color. 17. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. 20. The last numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.